Yo, guys, I'm back after 5 months after I revealing my new intro of this channel, and from now on I'll mainly speak more English. So guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's start the unboxing and reviews of Diecast Cars Season 2 begin. Well guys, it's time to show my brand new Diecast vehicles. And guys, I'll unbox only one cars in every episode unboxing and reviews of Diecast Cars Season 2, and I upload my unboxing Diecast Cars video on every Sunday, so enjoy the video. So guys, this is the vehicle of today's episode. It's a Volkswagen T2 pickup truck. And sorry guys, I already unboxed this car in order to check it metal body or not. Unfortunately guys, this is a fake Hot Wheels car, not a real, and they forget to put S in its made in China product. I got scammed guys, I thought it was a real Hot Wheels car. The back side of the pickup truck in plastic, but body of this truck is metal. Because of this fake Hot Wheels, there's no details of this pickup truck at back side of this vehicle. Let's see what the cover of this pickup truck says. Nothing, there's no ISI product sticker. Once again, let's check for last time before I end today episode. Like I said, that the body is metal but interior and the lower back side of this pickup truck is plastic. Guys, unfortunately this is the end of episode 1 of unboxing and reviews of Diecast Cars Season 2, but see you guys on episode 2, bye.